Well, things are starting to get back to normal in West Hartford today. Fox 61's Victoria Anderson went to downtown where she said shops were busy and people were getting out after days of cleanup. So she spoke with some of them who gave a grade to their town's cleanup efforts.
Locals in West Hartford tell me they're happy to see clear roads and sidewalks as cleanup efforts continue.
I'd give them an A+. To me.
Peter Greenvogel is giving high marks to his hometown as he looked back on their snow removal efforts over the last few days. West Hartford received around 11 inches of snow on Monday and an additional inch and a half during Wednesday morning's snow. However, just hours after the snow stopped Wednesday, the sidewalks were clear and roads were filled with drivers.
They did a very great job handling it and everything, and they knew what to do and how, how to really clean up the place, especially after a snowstorm.
Greenvogel told us he believes it was the parking bans and cooperation that made the cleanup so quick.
West Hartford Public Schools will have class tomorrow in person with no delays scheduled. For a full list of closures and delays, we will have that on our website at fox61.com. In West Hartford, Victoria Anderson, Fox 61.